Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all the viewers. Hope so everybody would be fit and fine. In this today's video lecture, we shall discuss what are pronouns and their correct uses. Have a look at the slide that defines pronouns. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Like in the sentence, Ali wakes up early, so he goes for walks. In the second sentence, in the place of Ali, he is used. Therefore, he is a pronoun because it replaces Ali. It is used in the place of Ali. Therefore, he is a pronoun. Have a look at this chart. These are the pronouns which are frequently used. I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. You need to keep in mind I and we are first person pronoun, you is a second person pronoun, he, she, it, and they, these are third person pronouns. You need to keep this chart in mind to understand today's video lecture very completely. These are three cases of pronouns. So cases of pronouns, we can say that these are the situations in which pronoun is used. Subjective case is a case of pronoun whenever pronoun is used as a subject in the sentence. Look here in the sentence, we called him yesterday. He is used as a subjective case, and subjective pronouns are used before verb, like called. Called is a verb and we is used before this verb. Therefore, we can say that subjective cases are the pronouns which are used before verb as a subject in the sentence. Below is a complete list of the pronouns which can be used as subject: I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These pronouns are always used as a subject in the sentence. Objective case pronouns are those pronouns which are used as objective in the sentence. So objective in the sentence means objective pronouns. They are used after verb in the sentence. Look here in the sentence. We called him yesterday. Him is a pronoun used in objective case. Below is the list: me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These pronouns can be used as objective in the sentence. And possessive case. Possessive case are those pronouns which shows us the ownership of the subject. Look here in the sentence, this pen is mine. So mine is a word that is used as a possessive pronoun in the sentence that shows the ownership of the pen. So possessive cases means the pronoun which are used as a possessive pronouns in the sentence are mostly used at the end of the sentence. So mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs, these are the pronouns which can be frequently used as a possessive pronouns in the sentence. So there are certain things you need to remember. There's a chart: subjective pronouns, objective pronouns, and possessive pronouns. The subjective pronouns, here is the list of all those pronouns which can be used as a subject in the sentence: I, you, he, she, it, we, they, and who. Objective pronouns are those pronouns which can be used as object in the sentence. As in the earlier slide, we learnt that objective pronouns are used after the verb and subjective pronouns are used before the verb. So me, you, him, her, it, us, them, and whom can be used as object in the sentence. Possessive pronouns, here you will find a pair of all the pronouns: my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, it, our, ours, their, theirs, and whose. So you need to keep in mind my, your, her, are, and their. These are not pronouns. They are adjectives. We call them possessive adjectives. But mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs, they are said to be possessive pronouns. So we need to understand them and their proper usage. Look here. Possessive pronouns are possessive adjectives. Look in the pair of sentence. This book is mine. So the underlined word mine is a possessive pronoun. This is my book. My underlined word is possessive adjective because it is followed by a noun which is book. So whenever any word from this list is followed by noun, it would act as a possessive adjective. My book, our book, your book, his book, her book, and their book. On the other hand, these are the possessive pronouns: mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. Now onwards we shall discuss errors in the use of pronouns. Keep in mind, always use a subjective case of pronoun with to be verb. To be verbs are is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, have, has. These all are to be verbs. So you need to use subjective case of pronoun with to be verb. In our earlier slide, we discussed the subjective case and subjective pronouns. It is we would be the correct structure. It is us would be the incorrect structure, because is a to be verb. So we use always subjective case with a to be verb. Look at the second pair of sentence. It is they who are knocking at the door. It would be the correct structure, but if we say it is them who are knocking at the door, it is them would be the incorrect structure, because is a to be verb. We need to use subjective case of pronoun with this to be verb. So them is not the subjective case, them is objective case. Therefore the second sentence, it is them who are knocking at the door, would be incorrect. So always say it is I, it is we, it is you, it is he, it is she, and it is they. Pronouns with then and as always take subjective case. So whenever we compare two pronouns by using then and as, we always use subjective form of the pronoun. Look at the sentence. I am taller than he would be the correct structure. I am taller than him would be the incorrect structure, because we have used then. We are comparing I with he. Therefore we need to use subjective case after than. Look at this structure. I am taller than him. We are comparing this subjective case with this objective case, so this is not the correct comparison. So always use subjective case after then and after as. He is as happy as I would be the correct sentence. He is as happy as me would be the incorrect sentence, because me is not the subjective case, because we know that after as we need to use subjective form of the pronoun, and the remaining these two sentences are also based on the same condition. Objective form of pronoun is used after let and between. It means that whenever you use pronoun with let and between, always use objective form of pronoun. Objective form of pronoun means which is used as object in the sentence. So correct structure of the sentence would be let him study physics. Let is there, therefore we need to use him, objective form of pronoun, with this let. Look at this structure of the sentence which is incorrect. Let he study physics. He, using he with let would be the incorrect structure of sentence, because he is not the objective case. It is a matter of book between you and me would be the correct structure, because between is used in the sentence, therefore we need to use objective form of pronoun. You remains same for subjective as well as objective form. Matter of book between you and I is a subjective form used with between, therefore this structure of sentence is incorrect. If both and all are followed by then, use objective form of pronoun. If both and all are followed by then, means in the sentence after then, if both and all are used, always use objective form of pronoun. Look here in the sentence, he is more smart than both of us is the correct structure, because both is used there and followed by then, therefore we need to use objective case, which is us. Look in this sentence, he is more smart than both of we. This is incorrect structure of the sentence, because we have used subjective case of the pronoun, and as we know that whenever both and all are followed by then, we need to use always objective form of pronoun, which is not used in this case. Therefore he is more smart than both of we will be the incorrect structure of the sentence. He is more hospitable than all of they is also incorrect form of structure. After verb, use objective form of pronouns. As we discussed in the slide, in the cases, the slide of cases, subjective and objective cases, always use objective form of pronoun after verb. He asked me a question. Me is objective form, which is used after verb. Asked is a verb, so after asked, me is used, which is objective form of pronoun, therefore the sentence is correct. He asked I a question. I is the subjective form of pronoun used after verb, therefore this structure of the sentence is said to be incorrect. Do not use apostrophe. This is the sign of apostrophe with possessive pronouns. Yours said to be incorrect, because apostrophe is not allowed to use with possessive pronouns. If you remember the slide of the cases of pronoun, subjective case, objective case and possessive case. So yours, its and ours. If we use apostrophe with these pronouns, it makes the sentence incorrect and the faulty sentence. Yours is the correct form, its is the correct form, ours is the correct form. Mostly at the end of the application we use this situation, yours obediently and yours obediently. Look here, yours obediently, whenever we use apostrophe with yours, it makes the structure very faulty and incorrect structure. Therefore do not use apostrophe with the possessive pronouns. Correct sequence of pronouns when used as a subject. Whenever we use pronouns, if you remember very clearly the first slide where we discussed the first person, second person and third person. So second, 2 means second person, 3 means third person and 1 means first person. So whenever pronouns are used as a subject in the sentence, always follow this sequence, 2, 3, 1. Means second person, third person and first person. So always use second person first, then third person, then first person. I and Ali are going to school is an incorrect sentence, because I is the first person which is used for the third person. So the correct sentence will be Ali and I are going to school, because Ali is the third person. As in the sequence we have seen, we need to use third person before the first person. He, you and I have gone to library is an incorrect sentence, because third person is used before second person and first person. So the correct structure would be you, he and I have gone to library. You, because according to the sequence, you is the second person, he is the third person, I is the first person. So this sequence of pronouns should be followed whenever we use the pronouns as a subject in the sentence. Each and every take singular verb. Each and every are indefinite pronouns. Whenever they are used as a subject in the sentence, they always take singular verb. If you remember my video lecture regarding singular verb and plural verb, every politician in Pakistan wants to live abroad. Every politician is a singular subject, therefore wants would be a singular verb in the sentence. Therefore this structure is the correct one. Every politician in Pakistan wants to live abroad. Want to live will be the incorrect structure, because want is not the singular verb. Want is a plural form of verb. Each member of the family wants shopping on it. Each member is the singular subject, therefore it needs wants a singular verb. Each member of the family wants shopping on it would be the incorrect sentence, because want is not the singular verb. It is a plural. Because we know that a verb, main verb or action verb without s becomes plural in the sentence. Relative pronoun agrees with the word to which it is used. Relative pronouns are those pronouns which relate to sentence and used in place of a noun. It is I who is getting position in exams is the incorrect sentence, because who is a relative pronoun which is used with I. So a relative pronoun must agree with the word to which it is used. So who is used with I, therefore who must agree I. We know that I always takes am as a helping verb in the sentence. So here is used, which is not the helping verb for I. Therefore the sentence is incorrect. So correct form of sentence would be, it is I who am getting position in the exams. So am is the helping verb used with I. Therefore relative pronoun must agree with the pronoun to which it is used. Okay, Allah Hafiz.